Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using this new AI tool which is known as PIKA Labs. Basically you can create video out of images. Like any image you want to use, it will make it move, make it more realistic, and it's so much fun and amazing. Let's find out together how it looks. Alright then, first things first, for this tool you need a Discord account. So yeah, if you don't have one, you have to make one. Don't have a Discord account, you can follow me. I'm making a new account for myself. First you have to make an account, then verify it by email, and then you will be able to use this AI tool. Once the verification is done, then you're in. You will have this server here. Now you can see different chat and everything. You have to go to generate, and you can see a lot of people are trying to create their own videos through images. And here you can do the same. You have to write a prompt. According to that, it will display the videos. So let's try. Oh, check these out. It literally looks so real. I'm not even kidding. It looks so cool. I think it's up to your creativity. If you're creative, you can make something unique, and I think the most important thing is writing the prompt. If you know how to control AI, then you have to write the right command. And by command, I mean the prompts. These are literally commands like the AI will understand and show you result based on your prompt. If your prompt is good, perfect, then the result will be perfect. So you have to be very clear and don't need to be way too detailed. Just write simple things and it will perform. Alright, let's create our first prompt. Okay. So in the start, we have to put a slash. Then click on create. Then click on plus one more. Click on image. Then select any image you want to use. Then simply write the prompt like the one I'm writing right now. And then hit enter, and now you just need to wait few minutes. After a few minutes, you will be able to see your video right here. So what is going on here? This looks weird, but it is kind of realistic. Sometimes it can happen that the results are not accurate, but they're still looking alright. You can regenerate it or try again. So let's try again and try new ones and then explore the other people's video. Now look at this one. It looks very real. It looks like our prompt was correct this time. It was more accurate, and this is why the movement and accuracy level is much better. So now we learned that better the prompt, the better the results. So we are going to be trying this out again, and let's get better results.